How do? Right, regarding windows, if you have a broken window or anything like that, on the Talbots anyway, you don't need to buy a window for a Talbot. You can use any window providing it's the right size. But the problem that you may have, or probably will, is the rails on the top. Yeah, they're not compatible with the rails that are fixed to the van, obviously. But what I'm saying is there's no need whatsoever to buy a window from, if you have a Highlander, off an Highlander. You can buy it off an up-to-date motorhome, an up-to-date caravan, anything. Yeah. These are the rails that sit on top of the window, which I'm going to show you now anyway, how to take them off, how to swap them. Today I am going to be changing the rail that's at top of the window. My back one got smashed, so I've got a replacement. Right now, needless to say, the top rail sometimes on the window, not on the rail on your van, the top rail on the window is different to the one on your van. So I'm going to show you how to change them. This is the broken window. This is the rail I'm talking about here. I've already taken off the one off the new one, but I'm going to show you, because it's the same principle anyway. That's off the new one. I'm saying new. You're right, I'll just show you. Right, can you see the difference there? You can't, can you? There, totally different, you see. That's the new one, and that's the old one. There's more of a bow in this. Right, so when I took this off the new one, it didn't matter about bending it, but this has got to come off perfect, because this obviously is going onto the new window. Right, inside here is like a rubber that goes around the window, and this seats onto that rubber. Well, I've had this problem before. You can take these off, but getting that rubber back on, you obviously can't use this. But getting a new rubber and putting it back on, then putting that back over that rubber is impossible if you get the right tools. It just cannot be done. Right, so what I do, stand there, and this rubber, cutting off there, right. What I do then, I go at an angle underneath, like that. Right, now be careful with your hands, obviously. Right, and just steady away. Take some time. Like I say, it goes into sideways. What you're basically doing is, there, look, you see bits of rubber coming out. You're weakening the rubber, really, basically. That's all you're doing. It takes some time. Right, what you have to do now, this is a dodgy bit, but I'm not bothered about breaking this window, but if this were a new window, well, a fresh window, you'd have to be very, very careful. Big flat-headed screwdriver. No, all you do is just tap it away. Yeah, it's coming. Just tap away, nice and easy. There we go. Obviously all this rubber inside that has to come out because it's going onto your new to you window, which is so easy. There we go, that's the rubber that's in. You know what I mean? And obviously that goes into your rail and then your window goes into there. But you try doing it, oh, it's impossible. It really is. Right, so obviously that goes onto the fresh one. Give it a clean up. Right, this is my newish window. Right, when you put in the rail, i.e. this one, because this is the one off the broken window, right, make sure that you don't get them the wrong way around. You know, you can put it in that way, which is actually the right way, but no, I didn't. Yeah, mixed up with cell here. That is the outside. Yeah. So when it goes on the window, it goes that way. So that's it, isn't it? It's that way. Or is it? I can't remember which way. I've just been outside and all my other windows is like some grooves there, can you see them? They go on the outside. So this is the window outside, so it goes, they're the grooves. That away. Ah. Right. Like I said, I did once when I had an accident when I were refurbing and smashed the big window. I bought some rubber, some proper rubber that goes inside these. But like I say, for the life of me, I couldn't get it on. And I ended up using just sealant. Put sealant in the groove and then offer it into the window, you know, on the lip of the window, the window top, if you will. But I need to clean it all up first. So anyway, I'm using Tiger Seal. I've just been out and bought some. This, I'll hold it. Super duper hard. Right, we're in the van now. What I've done, I've put the stairs. I've never done it this way, but I'm going to try a different way. Yeah, like I say, I put the stairs and the latch at the bottom of the window. What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to run a bead inside the rail, then offer it up outside, obviously with the beading, the tiger seal, and then I'm going to get the window and put, because obviously that's going to be like on in it, and then put the window in, come inside, fix the latch as well, you know, so as it holds the window in place. I'm just hoping that works. Right, I'm going to run a bead of silicone all the way down. Right. Right, as you can see, the rail's on now. Okay, so I was pushing the window in. Just hope it works. Just hold it there. Right, okay, love. Right, the window is in. There, it's in. Well, that was, to be quite honest with you, a lot easier than when I put that side window in. Only thing is now, when I put these on, I put them upside down. But I'm going to leave it till we set off tomorrow. We're going to Whittingham, so I'll leave it on till then. And then, in fact, when I get to Whittingham, I'll change them, you know. Oh. Huh, looks alright, doesn't it? I've even got a the Caravan Club sticker. Yeah, so, like I say, so as I've been saying, if regarding the Talbots, they're hard to come by. The windows are very hard to come by, but you measure the window, any window will do. Any. It doesn't matter what it's off, where it's from, any window. Right, so see you at Whittingham.